Bumboclaat, the way man them serious with the thief in a goat, the man have to come and run bar with the goat them, you know. Run bar, the man have to do the blood clot goat.
My USA friend trying brown stew chicken for the first time.
Body of fuck, man. You gotta give them two of them bad words, man. Body of fuck. No.
What you having?
Oh, no, ain't no bumboclaat. It is good. Bumboclaat is good. No, ain't no bumboclaat. Oh, man. Ah, good, bro. Yeah. But I know what y'all want to hear. Ready? Bumboclaat.
It's so hard.
Get up then now. Get up. Get up then now.
Alright.
Get up. Get up. One fucking from your mouth. Get up now.
We don't like
Just say position with them one.
kill me.
You know what you
They might kill me.
and you have to fucking
Them all kill him, baby. Me no, me can't manage them the portion there. But you know good. Watch ya. You think, hey, you see you mix with the coke and I want a good mixture that day.
I feel coke.
You want mix with the coke and a good portion that day. Mine ain't catch you.
It. You want to give suck off your cocky? Yes or no? Look at hold on. You want to give suck off your cocky? I want to question you, Axel. Yes or no? That's one question. Answer me, no, man.
I'm talking a pussy clot with you.
Mr. Man is acting like some idiot, sir.
Love me down a blood clot.
Stop working nonsense, brother.
Love me pussy clot, yeah, man.
That's what they must say, bad man.
You made them say, bad man. You know bad man.
Yeah, let me fix it up.
Do we not come fix it?
Stop moving your cat down, son. Stop moving your cat down.
So it's up to you.
Interrogate a girl, you see? You.
Yeah, man, make it in time. So it's up to you.
Interrogate a girl, you see? You.
Yeah, man, make it in time. Yeah, I'm here again. As me just said on the message, the video where TikTok take down. Yeah, anybody see that face out there, so look for me good. I don't want no more friend. You understand? I have my friend them already, as me telling up on the first video. You see tribulation, hard time, hungry, them my best friend. I say them come check me regular. All them I look for them, them just pop up on me so. You understand? But me I love them enough, but me rate them. As me say, you know why me rate them? Anytime they come check me, they never teach me sense. You understand? They never make me wiser. You understand? And when them come, they never come to build me. Them not kill me. You understand? So you see, all time me say tribulation and hungry, my best friend them, me don't want no more friend. So all I who say them my friend, them can't back down, because we don't need no friend. You understand? Big up on yourself. But now when we go to the pussy wall, I'm not the we are black that do just matter. Come pay tax here. We pay tax, then I pay tax about. I'm not to your pussy wall. No man, no follow them what they want to say. Me I do what my blood clot do. Every blood clot. I mean no, you don't know them a rascal. No my blood clot do man. You understand sir? I feel me out of my life. I'm rising back up on them a rascal. They fucking me so. I know say you make and they fuck with your pussy wall. I'm going to say. I'm going to them the fuck those under that.
Hear what me I say. Every time we follow.
And I say every time man.
You hear the one say no.
Listen no, listen you're a pussy wall man. Listen no man.
But me I say me the
no, listen man.
Blind man.
I don't blind. Listen.
Nice, listen, nice.
I don't like. Know what? You see where they are? No. Me had the phone. You see. And I watch me show them and think I two miss call and they think a pussy one. You say they not that be them buying them bumboclaat and nothing with them. I can't to me say for them because they no good family. None of them are right. I do me.
So who took you this morning?
No, me tell you what.
No, here. Yes, when I say call Lincoln now, I'm calling Lincoln stuff and be nice.
No, I don't die.
No, here,
nice, man. Nice, me tell you.
Listen, I say. They hear you hear them say, I'm the communion.
She want big blood clot, I am full boy up I am.
Oh,
Finally, the food was about one piece and sleep.
Jason.
Jason.
Jason, are you boy?
In a back row, in Foka in Ambition in the Silver.
So, I see if I get the boy, eh?
In that Silver.
Eh? Now what you can get the boy, eh?
And that's why blood clot girl they did not for the girl come down the roadside and look for me.
A cool catch him.
No, I don't push cold. He come down the roadside, come look for him friend who fuck him all the way down there.
Yeah.
And gone, with partner gone. Never come out of that fuck.
I dare say get him and fuck him. Now what is it?
Me go to Silver me who turn up in our way. That's me say 2 blood clot man and can't take my wood.
Eh?
In the water.
Eh?
One way fear one out dead. You know, a soldier.
Pussy one girl, hey boy, Powell, one fuck. I tell me that one fuck, they tell me fuck none. Suck my pussy from my tongue, and you can't done. You make a one fuck, and you know you can't done. Huh? Hey boy, you know you a chat. Hey boy, you know you a chat. Hey Powell, hey boy, man, a pussy clash ya look. A pussy clash ya look. A pussy clash ya look. A vibe. Someone don't know about your pussy, you know. Someone a pussy nuts. Hey, y'all will come and the girl Tania. Y'all will come and the girl Tania. Hey, y'all will come and the girl Tania. Hey, that man the boy. Pussy artist know him there. Hey, pussy artist know him there. Pussy artist know him there. Pussy boy up girl that idea. Kiss up girl, pussy girl love me boy. Hey. Pussy does and them can't hang ya. Pussy does and them can't hang ya. Yeah, kiss up girl, pussy and I say body.
Ready for me?
Go on now.
Oh, Richard, please me I beg you, my boy. God know you see anytime you make that dummy day. You look a thinking dummy way sit down in a people shop. And you just a should be in $5,000 them boy. How you don't want nothing in a life? Thinking boy, you don't want nothing. Eh? Please me I beg you, please Richard, please. No send nothing come give me but try if you have something for yourself. See me pitney. Me love you, you know. You say you are bill house, look upon your house. We are bill. If you have done the money in that, there's something there, or you go buy 1,000 black you put down. You put down steel and put me to watch them. Me now watch nothing again, like that thief, then you don't want nothing in a life, dog.